Do you know about Thadri? Why we Sindhis celebrate this festival and when it is celebrated? In this video, I am going to explain about why we Sindhis celebrate Thadri. Thadri is celebrated after 7 days of Raksha Bandhan or a day ahead of Janmashtami. We observe Thaddo. It means we consume cold food on that day. The food is cooked a day ahead. It is dedicated to Mata Sitla Devi. It is believed to be the goddess of cold or Sital or Thaddo. There is a belief that hundreds of years ago, chicken pox had spread in Mohenjo-daro and many people died. One day, a statue of Mata Sitla Devi appeared from the earth. After that, spread of disease stopped immediately. Since then, Thadri is celebrated on this day every year. There is a very famous song dedicated to this festival, Thar Mata Thar, Penje Bachchan Ke Thar, which means Goddess give good health and wealth to your child. It is strongly believed that Matas protect us from many diseases like chickenpox, smallpox, and so on. On the day of Thadri, Sindhis don't burn chula or gas at all. Consume the food cooked a day before the Thadri. Before Thadri, we cook many dishes like मीठी कोकी and some people also called us मीठा लोलो, बेसनी, मूंग की दाल का पराठा, मसाले वाले आलू, भिंडी, करेला and so on. After cooking thadri food, in which gas or burner meaty cookies are made, we sprinkle some waters on it. Hence, stove is not lit on the day of Thadri.